This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. 3.32 gentle, rolling acres, partially wooded lot, in Blairsville. Soil test completed, ready for septic approval. Build your dream homes on this lovely knoll near to the USFS. Quiet location yet conveniently located close to Owen Glenn Golf Course, Blairsville Municipal Airport, also Blue Ridge and Blairsville, Georgia and Murphy, North Carolina. Mild restriction. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.